his eyes and his killer dog. Look, Cujo. I don't want to see him when he get bigger. Sparkle over there. Christmas brother. Benny. Monkey. Monkey.
I said, after she called me, I said, she's doing camera.
Yeah. The dog. It was too funny. You just missed him. He was ready to attack everybody, and everybody just froze up, and he just kept walking. And he just froze up, and no one did nothing. He just went on and slopped down.
I took him outside, and we ran all the way around. We ran all the way
Yeah. Till he hear food.
That's what you need, that little energy.
Look, I told you. Here, that paper. Food. Look, you think you got it. Here he come. Look. Nope. Don't even try it. No. Cujo. And he want to sniff people in the crotch. What kind of dog is he? No, I see. Yeah. Look. Yeah, that's too funny. He ain't friendly big as mine. He don't look vicious, but got him a bed rail. That's his toy.
Table legs.
Oh my God.
Boom, 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 boom.
Good day. Yeah. Yep. We look sleepy. We look sleepy.